Welcome! Today, I'm going to show you how to make sure you always see the most relevant comments first on Facebook, right from your account on the Facebook app for PC. If you've noticed that your comments section sometimes feels cluttered or out of order, this new update is exactly what you need. Let's get started and make your Facebook experience even better. First, open the Facebook app on your PC. Once you're in, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile photo. Go ahead and click on it. This will open a menu with several options. From this menu, find and click on Settings and Privacy. A new set of options will appear, and from here, select Settings. This will take you into the main Settings menu where you can control many aspects of your Facebook account. Now, scroll down until you find the section called Followers and Public Content. Click to enter this section. Here, you'll see various options related to who can follow you and how your public posts are managed. Look for the option that says Show Most Relevant Comments First. It might be turned off by default, but you can easily enable it. Simply click to turn this feature on. Once enabled, Facebook will automatically prioritize and display the most relevant comments at the top of your posts, making it easier for you and your followers to see the best and most engaging conversations. That's all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you've improved your comment section and made your Facebook experience more enjoyable. Now, every time you check your posts, you'll see the most meaningful and interesting comments first. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with your friends and let them know about this new update. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.